If you've been looking at homes for sale here in Arlington, Massachusetts, you know how hard it is to find a finished basement and high ceilings in the same house. Today I'm showing you exactly what 1.175 million buys in a prime neighborhood, an impeccable 2021 gut-renovated townhouse. Most buyers think they have to settle for older systems or dated finishes to stay in this price range. Finding a 3-bedroom home with 3.5 baths and high ceilings under 1.2 million often feels like a trade-off between location and quality. This property at 89 Cleveland solves that by offering a complete 2021 renovation with modern efficiency. This townhouse is perfectly situated on a tree-lined street right on the corner of Cleveland and Broadway. You are moments away from restaurants, errands, and the Minuteman bike path. Let's see these unbeatable ceiling heights. Notice how the sunlight floods this area and high-end finishes throughout this main level. Now let's look at the kitchen, built for serious cooking. This designer kitchen features quartz countertop and high-end steel appliances. Even includes a vent hood to keep your daily cooking smoke-free. So moving upstairs, let's check out the bedrooms. This home offers a total of 3 bedrooms with 3.5 bathrooms, providing a great privacy for family and guests. Each bedroom features generous closets, a rare find in many Arlington homes. But we aren't yet done. Let's take a look at the lower level. The lower level adds significant space. So as we're headed on down, we'll take a look. The lower level adds significant space with a fully finished basement. This area is ideal for a family room, home gym, or a secluded guest space. And let's talk about the modern tech behind the walls. This home is powered by high-efficiency air source heat pumps for both central heat and air. You also have 2 assigned off-street parking spots right on a paved driveway. So how does this property compare to the rest of the market? At $1,175,000 for 1,900 total square feet, you are at approximately $618 per square foot. This home is priced right at the sweet spot of the market, especially considering it was gut renovated just a few years ago. With quick access to the T station and major routes, the location provides long-term value. If you want to see the full floor plan or schedule a private showing at 89 Cleveland Street, click the link in my bio. Comment Cleveland below, and I'll send the listing packet directly to your DMs. Let's get you into a showing this weekend.